Hello guys! Today I have some great news. I'm very excited and very happy. I'm gonna buy the Canon 200D camera. It's great. Let's do it. Okay, Canon, a great company, giant company. Today, I bring to you a great product, great value, and a big name. I present to you the Canon 200D. Now the Canon 200D is a very small DSLR indeed, probably one of the smallest DSLR cameras in the world. and because of its small size, you can travel with it anywhere you want. Now it also packs full articulated screen LCD, and this feature is a big bonus for this camera. Not to mention that the screen is a touch screen also, and this is very easy to use. Now this camera also includes an autofocus system that's called dual pixel. This feature is very important, very easy to use, so you don't have to worry about focusing your images. Just press on the screen and the autofocus is on. Now because it's a DSLR, changing lenses, it's no problem. You can change lenses to wider range very easy. Now a very big bonus in this camera is the mic jack. This is very important and very easy to use, so you can hook up microphone while you record your videos. This is convenient. Now this camera also has NFC, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you can transfer your images or your videos wirelessly to your smartphone or tablet or even your PC wirelessly. This is a big, giant option. Now the burst system in this camera, it can shoot 5 frames per second. Now this is huge, very big for a small camera, a small DSLR camera like this. In the end, Canon 200D is a very big deal for a small camera. It packs very high options for a small camera and a little money. I love this camera, I recommend this camera for beginners or even mediocres. This is a great value camera for a little money. I hope you enjoyed my video. Follow me and let's talk again.